Your learning question for today is how can I use descriptive language? We are going to work together to describe a character. Our character today will be Horrid Henry. So what can we use to describe our character? We have adjectives, which are describing words, metaphors, which say something is something else, similes, which say something is like something else, and two-way sentences, which include two adjectives before a noun. Now, I have some jumbled up examples. Can you match these examples to the feature? First of all, we have as bright as the sun. Next, we have the small, quiet boy picked up the dirty brown stick. Then we have purple. And then finally we have the sun was a gleaming pearl. Can you pause this video to give yourself some time to match your examples down to the feature on the left hand side of the page? Press play when you're ready to continue. And here are your answers. The adjective goes to the colour purple. The simile is as bright as the sun. The metaphor is the sun was a gleaming pearl. And the two-way sentence was the small quiet boy picked up the dirty brown stick. Now here I have a picture of Horrid Henry. Now I want us to describe Henry's features. I've selected Henry's crown, his cheeks, his t-shirt, his jeans and his cape. Can you remember what we can use to describe Horrid Henry? First, I have taken Henry's crown. I can see that it's gold, it's shiny, and I have used a simile to describe the crown. My example is a crown as shiny as 100 stars. Next, I'm going to take Henry's cape. Now his cape I can see is red, it's long, it looks soft, and it looks silky. So I have written silky red cape. Now, using the picture, I want you to have a go at using your features to describe the parts of Horrid Henry. What could you write for his jeans, his t-shirt or his cheeks? Remember to use those adjectives, similes, metaphors and two-way sentences. Give yourself a couple of minutes to pause this video and write down your descriptions. Once you are ready, press play to continue. Once you press play, I will show you some more examples of my description. Here are some examples of what you could have wrote. Now it's time to write our sentences. Using our descriptive language, can we write some sentences to describe Horrid Henry? I have written the first two for you. My first one is Horrid Henry had a crown as bright as 100 stars. I have taken my piece of description and turned it into a sentence, saying that Horrid Henry is wearing a crown which is as bright as 100 stars. Then I have taken my description for his cape, and I simply wrote he wore a silky red cape. So straight away we know he's wearing a bright crown and a silky red cape. Using your own descriptions for the other three parts, can you write a sentence for his cheeks, his jumper and his jeans? Your challenge is to write at least 5 sentences to describe Horrid Henry. Are there any other parts of Horrid Henry that you can write about? Once you are finished, we would love it if you send us your work or post it onto our school Twitter page.